So customer state's leaking from the door. It's pretty clear the rubber is gone. You just put your hand down like this. This I've already kind of removed, but you push your hand down like this and then pull. And that's your spring that comes off with the thing, and you should be able to pull it out. That's pretty much all it is. So here's the replacement. Little trick for this is to use a little bit of washing up liquid in this section here, which will make it easier to put it on. And then I'll show you in a second the next bit. You just get it lubed up. Like that. And then you find the hole. There it is at the bottom. And then you always start, or at least I always start at the bottom. It's kind of a little groove it fits into. And then with opening, kind of spreading it ahead of it, I move around with my hands until I get it the whole way on. Some of these go on easy, some do not. It really depends on the washing machine gods. Now, she's on. If she's a little bit out of center, you grab her on top and bottom at the same time and just twist until she comes back into the middle. She's in the middle again. We've come way on the top there. So again, just push your thumb along the lip. You should feel it click in. It has. And now she's up. So now, twist your rubber inside. Can be a little bit fiddly. There, she's on. Now, little trick for this. Again, washing up liquid. Right. Put it over your hands. Start with the join first. Put it in. You feel a little lip that spring fits into a groove. Now put your fingers like this, kind of gripping it. And now what you're doing is you're just literally clipping it in. Much pain required. Ah, got it in one. Now, I do make this look easy after 25 years of doing that. Hold one corner before the spring, bring it on as much as you can, flathead screwdriver or a hook. Oh. This is normally the stage where somebody just gets me to do it. Even I'll fight with it.
Washing machine gods not kind on this one. Oh.
Not nearly. Try one more. 6th time lucky. We'll get there. Patience is a virtue, lads, when you're fixing machines. Got it. Finally, and that's all. New rubber fitted. Customers back in action with their PowerPoint washing machine.